Hello guys, this is Nishant from DAX Freak. So, I just wanted to discuss a very intuitive and interesting feature of Power BI. That is a RANKX function. Probably everyone is aware about the rank function in Excel, how you rank various numbers according to a certain category or a segment. Today we'll just replicate that in Power BI because there are a lot of metrics and there are a lot of calculations which involves the ranking calculations, and based on that you can figure out that which is doing the best or which is not doing best, or which is at the bottom, which thing is at the top. To do all of these calculations in Power BI, we have a DAX function called as the RANKX function. So today what I've done here is this is my sample data set. I've just dragged my product name from here. So I've already calculated the rank tax, but then I wanted to show you that how we can do it on the canvas. So what I've done here is these are just the products of my data set. These are around 10 tens of tons of thousands of products which I have in my data set. Now I want to rank them according to my total sales, right? So what I've already created this measure, but I would want to write it again. uh, so So RANKX function returns the rank of an expression evaluated in the current context in the list of values for the expression evaluated for each row in the specified table. Now that's what Microsoft tells us, that how it ranks, uh, you know ranks a certain element or a parameter in your report. Now it is asking me to declare a table. Now what table should I declare now? What table should I declare? So what are we ranking? And that is the main concern here, that what is the element or category or the parameter we want to rank. Now we are ranking product names here, right? So table rank X is a table function. So there are some table functions, and there are some filter functions, and there are some simple calculation functions. So rank X is a table function. So it basically creates a table in the backend. It's a virtual table which is created. So I want to create a table of product name. So if I write product name here, nothing appears because it will not allow me to enter product name here, because we are creating a measure and not a calculated column. We want some aggregation to run over this. So for table, I would say all selected product name. Now why we are doing product name, all selected product name here? Because on every row of product I want all the products to appear on the virtual table. So on the back end, if this is my first product, while you were out messenger book, on this context I want all the tons of thousands of products should appear in a single row. That is the reason I'm using all selected. So you can also go and watch my all versus all selected video. So what all selected do is it basically returns all the element in all the rows. So we are actually returning all the products in each of the row. What expression? So what we want to rank it on: sales, profit, quantity. So right now we are ranking it on total sales. So we go by total sales, and then we just skip this value column because it's not used often. So I'll cover another video where we use a value argument in our rank function. Now order is, we can keep it descending or ascending. Right now I'm keeping it descending, so it will mark one as the highest value. And the last is also, you can dense and skip. Now what is the difference in dense and skip? So skip is basically by default. Dense, what dense does is, for example, if you have two products with the same value. So for example, if you have 100 and the product is ranked similar 1 1, the third product would be ranked 3 instead of 2. So if we select dense, it will basically rank it 1 1 and then 3, not 2. So it will skip in between. Now skip is by default, so let us keep it like this only. So it is by default. Now if I click enter, this my measure is created, and I can just drag my rank here. Now I've ranked all the products, so all the product would appear here with the sales, and out of all the product, which is this one. So that is how it's been. It's this all selected is a gift to this function. Now we can just sort it by rank, and we can do it ascending since we used descending here. So this is my ranking for all the products. Being this is the highest. You can see that if you can just drag your total sales here, so this would be the highest. This is the highest selling product. So we can also apply filters here. So for example, if you want to only see top 15, say we want to only see top 15, I'm not interested in the other product, so we can just keep it greater than equal to 15, and we can just apply the filter here. So it'll just show you top 15 products. Sorry, less than. Yeah, so it only shows you the top 15. So I wanted to cover this very important function. So watch it, let me know that how you took this video as. uh, just you can just write your comments or any other things you would like to say about the video in the comment box. Please keep watching and subscribing to my videos, and whatever I've been whatever is the update in Power BI, what are different functions available, I'll keep covering more and more videos regarding that as well. Thank you everyone, thank you, bye bye.